In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Forms pie chart in just 5 minutes. Whether you're gathering data for a project or just curious about the responses to your latest survey, a pie chart can be an excellent way to visualize your results. So, grab your coffee and let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your Google form. To do this, head over to the Google Forms website and sign in with your Google account. You'll enter your email, hit next, then type in your password before signing in. This should bring you to the home page where all your created forms are listed. Now navigate through your forms and select the one you want to analyze. Click on it to open. Once your form is open, look for the Responses tab at the top. Clicking on this tab will take you to a section where you can see all the collected responses from your form. Google Forms conveniently provides an overview, but we're here to dive a bit deeper. In the responses section, Google Forms sometimes automatically generates pie charts for multiple choice questions or questions with predefined answers. This is a quick way to visually interpret your data without the need for external tools. However, if you'd like more control over how your data is presented, or need to create a pie chart for questions that don't automatically generate one, you're in luck. There's an option to link your responses directly to Google Sheets for more advanced visualization. Here's how. On the same responses page, you'll see a green icon with a white cross. That's the Link to Sheets button. Click on it and you'll have the option to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and create a new sheet by clicking Create. Once your responses are in Google Sheets, you're ready to create your custom pie chart. Highlight the cells that contain the data you'd like to visualize. This is an important step as it determines which data will be included in your pie chart. Next, navigate to Insert in the top menu of Google Sheets. This opens up a variety of options, but for now focus on finding and clicking Chart. A new window will pop up with various chart options. On the right side of this window, you'll see a chart editor. Under the chart type drop-down, scroll down until you find Pie Chart. Select it to transform your data into a colourful pie chart right in your spreadsheet. Finally, you have the option to customize your chart further. The chart editor allows you to edit the data range, labels, colours, and much more to ensure your pie chart represents your data clearly and accurately. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pie chart from your Google Forms responses, offering you a visual breakdown of your data. Remember, a well-crafted pie chart can significantly enhance the readability of your data, making it easier to share insights with your team, classmates, or even during presentations. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your Google Forms data. As always, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore and customize your charts to better suit your needs.